ACOHOF Foundation, helping the needy and underprivileged. You make the suffering to smile again.
Discover ACOHOF Family Farm School, situated at Bankim, Adamawa region of Cameroon. In Bankim, the ACOHOF Family Farm School, which is situated at Gum Quarters, about a kilometer away from Bankim roundabouts, admits and trains vulnerable children between the ages of 12 to 20 years.
I'm in level 1 for my first year training in ACOHOF. In ACOHOF, we do practicals and theory, and I've learned more things in practicals, how to make caps and tablecloths. This is the tablecloth that we make, and this is the cap with some traditional dresses.
ACOHOF disposes of relatively free training in remarkable fields that can attract entrepreneurship upon graduation.
It is a valuable program, a valuable professional program for youth. Any of us who is living here in Cameroon since long knows about the high rate of unemployment for young people, young boys and girls. And the classic education that is offered doesn't lead in many aspects to employment or to a professional career. So this one that is opening young boys and girls really the chances to have to be professionally inserted, and either through self-employment or also to continue in education, to become professionalized, self-sustainable and independent. And in a country where we have like 70% of unemployment by youth, where people with academic grades are driving taxis or finding all kinds of jobs to support themselves and to keep themselves above the surface of the water, I think that is what ACOHOF as an organization is doing, is a very valuable and important way to help young people in this country.
The available domains include sustainable agriculture, poultry and pig farming, bee farming.
We are currently located at the school enterprise farm. This is the enterprise farm of the school, which means that it is where economic activities are being carried out to sustain the school. Means that here we do bee farming, we do other crop cultivation like cassava, like maize, like beans and cocoa and a lot of other things. But most importantly, we are really strong in bee farming,
including crafts like knitting, tailoring, shoe mending, barbing, catering, etc.
The very thing where we talk about this ACOHOF school, it be not saying a hidden treasure where it be there for Banso, and before or within the crisis, they don't come down for Bankim, and it be an opportunity where we get them because Magwab to be one for get them. But finally we win the trophy, and at the time I'm saying a hidden treasure because plenty parents they don't even know the use of that school. But finally, before one end up for this year 3, we don't graduate the picking them, at least it will be a miracle. Because plenty parents, they don't realize them. After the talks, the way we tell them and the way they don't see them about the picking them, the performance for the picking them, the work that they do, like poultry, like piggery, like working farm beans and corn. They realize them, and parents they don't start to see them say an important school.
Together with their partners like TAC Aviation and Pens for Kids, ACOHOF offers books and pens in a bid to support trainees.
ACOHOF Family Farm School is a non-profitable organization aiming out to train underprivileged trainees or students in the society and internally displaced students in the society. Here we call on parents found in this locality or those who are internally displaced to come and enroll their students into ACOHOF Family Farm School to benefit from this quality education offered by ACOHOF Family Farm School.
Do you have children, cousins or IDPs from the northwest and southwest regions of Cameroon living with you? The ACOHOF Family Farm School is now accepting new students for registration fee of just 5,000 francs and the school fees for the entire year at just 12,500 francs. Plus, all the students live in the school dormitories. This is an excellent opportunity for your loved ones to learn, start a business, create a job. You will be proud of their achievements.
I am an ex-trainee of ACOHOF Family Farm School. I started this school in Tatum, and then I came and finished the school in Bankim. And as we can see, these are my pigs that was being given to me by the ACOHOF Family Farm School.
We feel that we are so much welcome in Bankim, and we feel that the people of Bankim are a loving people.
The rule of that one was the we were one to school ACOHOF. Before one they do ACOHOF, but we even you in very care one for a okay problem. One willing we your mother walem will say mother walem kunya, mother lim vacayo, mother yele one the loaf of ACOHOF sick limra. About drug one year we will certificate care among you say yelia.
L'école wangonga handar arandu seman Bankim ga embiata ACOHOF Family Farm School. Non gadon jabbo bikkon dehon ngoron non bo gadon tawe hananta lawol ngong haton be don ngeli baba en ngarna bikkoy mabbe wato jabrude bodde ngam heba bingel to mawni heban sanaa to bingel ye hananta ACOHOF Family Farm School do bingel dewel ko gorel ngel foti ngel wada heedi durgol heedi ndemri
Le school ni ACOHOF Family Farm School. So school no bobon. So msidimudifate amwe mamwe. School no watu mamwemba uribwe tenga oso lo teacher we fakasi yo. Be school na mwe sitemba kitebo fa ezayi du ikutenda ba yebeze. So msidifa mamwe bute amwe. De we tumbwemba utuma moyomba uno kayumo loso because school no bobon na boring.
ACOHOF is the best.
I'm studying agriculture. I am here to share my experience in ACOHOF Family Farm School Bankim. ACOHOF Family Farm School Bankim deals with alternance pedagogy. The pedagogy is very unique with the sense that learning is done in school, at home, or with an expert.
To enroll, you can visit the school campus in Bankim, send a quick message on WhatsApp through the number on your screen, or write us through the email on your screen.
ACOHOF is a non-profit making humanitarian and development association that works for the benefit of underprivileged children and impoverished communities in the Republic of Cameroon.
Mon discours, c'est pour inviter tous les parents, toutes les populations de Bankim à envoyer tout ce que nous pensons que l'enfant s'il là, vraiment, je l'ai envoyé au lycée, ça n'a pas donné. Je l'ai envoyé au CETIC, ça n'a pas donné. Je l'ai envoyé ici, là, ça n'a pas donné. Envoyons nos enfants dans cette école-ci.
Encouraging your child to start their own business or create their own job is far better than having them join the thousands of job seekers. Your support for the orphanage children of Hope Foundation is highly appreciated.